Okay, so I'm on our home page. I'm going to click on a product that I want to add to my wish list. I'm on my favourites, which are scented candles, and I'm going to select the Stargazy candle. Once you're on the product and you want to add it to your wish list, you simply go to the right hand side under the Buy It Now and select Add to Wish List. A little pop-up box comes up and you need to create an account if you want to share this wish list with somebody. So you create your account. For this you'll just need your first and last name, your email, and you will need to create a password. If you shop with Cream, then this will log all of your orders as well, so it's actually quite handy to see what you've purchased in the past if you have an account. So I've saved my details. I go back into my wish list and I can see that I'm logged in, and then if I click on the three dots it gives me the option to share. It already has my details in there, and then I just need to add the recipient's email. And once I do that, I can also customize the note that goes to that recipient and send it to them. You can also share this on Facebook, on Twitter, or copy it and send it in a WhatsApp message, and that person will get your list, and hopefully they will buy everything on it.